हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द स्टूडियो। स्वागत है आप सभी का। तो यहाँ पे एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट अनदर AIBF की तरफ से लेटेस्ट 8088 के रिलेशन में काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट कैलकुलेशंस हैं, उसको देखेंगे इस वीडियो के माध्यम से। सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू शेयर दिस बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट इज राइट नाउ कमिंग. So new set of calculations that are being provided here. So we will see that here also. So सबसे important this is a quite important circular. सबसे पहले दोस्तों चैनल को यहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और शेयर ज़रूर कर देना सो दैट इट कैन रीच टू द मैक्सिमम desired friends. So pension related issues of the bank retirees. So this has reference to our meeting with yourself in the office on 19th of Feb 24, which we had detailed discussion on various issues confronting the bank retirees. We are thankful to you for giving us a patient hearing and reacting positively on some of the issues. We do hope that these matters would be engaging your attentions and the same would be resolved in the near future to our satisfactions, in particular annual review of ex gratia amount. So while these issues are engaging your attention, there are some smaller but equally important issues which we would like to place. So सबसे पहले तो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे यूनिफॉर्म डियरनेस रिलीफ है at 8088 index point. So bank retirees upon under different BPS settlements are getting different rate of dearness reliefs DR. So at present these are 8 slabs of DA rates for which such pensioners as follow. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों. So rates are from the month of rates are from the month 2025 under 12th BPS. Consumer price 1960 as 100 has changed to that. So this series is calculation of DR pensioners from November onwards, where all earlier pensioners are getting DR based on 1960 series. So this is wide difference in DA rates calculations now, as instead of a slab of 4 points earlier. So DR is being provided even on an increase of 1 point also, which is not available to earlier pensioners. So as calculations of DR for different class of pensioners is very cumbersome, so we suggest that the remaining pensioners too should be brought at par with the pensioners of November 2022. So their DR up to 8088 points of index should be merged in their basic pension and thereafter. So यहाँ पे ये है the DR only for 2016 base year. So this is important here friends. So as only DR is being merged with basic pension, there would be hardly any increase in total amount of the pension, so which would not impact the pension fund adversely. However, it would be important step to bring all the pensioners at par for DA purpose and also important step toward updation exercise. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं स्लैब्स को जो कि ईयर वाइज रिटायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग मेंशन करी गई हैं दोस्तों. उसके बाद है पेमेंट ऑफ कॉम्यूटेशन. सो कॉम्यूटेशन का तो बहुत बड़ा इशू यहाँ पे चल रहा है. 10 ईयर, 12 ईयर्स, 15 ईयर्स कब तक आपको कॉम्यूटेशन देनी है. सो उसके रिलेशन में आप देख सकते हैं. So in matter of commutation, CCS rules provided that if commutation has to be paid twice on account of base revision, commuted value of both the commutation would be recovered from the date of payment of commutation, whereas in the BPR no such provision is there. So banks are recovering commuted value from the date of retirement while paying commutation second time. So in case of base revision under bipartite settlement joint note For example, if a person has retired after November 22, he would be eligible for revised wages under 12th BPS settlement. The 12th BPS has been signed on 8th March 2024. So while paying revised commutation to such an employee, the commuted value has been recovered from the date of retirement and not from the date of paying him commutation. So यहाँ पे similar is in all the cases of the pensioners. उसके बाद यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं द पेमेंट टू द अनमैरिड विडो डिवोर्स डॉटर्स, ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रूल है. द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट पेंशन रूल जो कि CCS रूल्स हैं फॉर शॉर्ट प्रोवाइड फॉर पेंशन टू द अनमैरिड विडो डॉटर divorced daughters irrespective of age after both the parents have left the world. However, in bank pension regulations, the upper limit has been fixed as 25 years to get the pension even for such class of dependents. So there are many cases where both the parents have died during COVID, leaving behind an unmarried widowed divorced daughter, so which has to fend for herself in absence of the pensionary benefits. So such daughters are finding it very difficult to live on their own as there are no means of survival available to them. So ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी मैटर है. So that must be resolved here. उसके बाद फैमिली पेंशन टू स्पाउस ऑफ मिसिंग एम्प्लॉयज़. सो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर्स हैं जो यहाँ पे उठाए गए हैं दोस्तों. एंड इसमें से जो मॉनिटरी बेनिफिट्स हैं दैट इज़ पेमेंट ऑफ कम्यूटेशन हो गया. उसके बाद जो 8088 का है दैट, सो ये काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट बेनिफिट्स हैं दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट मैटर्स हैं दैट मस्ट बी रिजॉल्व इन ऑर्डर टू बेनिफिट the mass majority of the pensioners. So that's all for the session friends. So please make sure to share this update and यहाँ पे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना दोस्तों फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग पेंशन एंड रिलेटेड अपकमिंग अपडेट्स के लिए. सो दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू. यू कैन सपोर्ट अस, आप हमें वित्तीय सहायता भी कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू रियली थिंक दैट वी आर वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर द बैंक पेंशनर्स. सो आप हमें वित्तीय सहायता करें दोस्तों. सो दैट्स इट. थैंक वंस अगेन, थैंक्स ऑल. टेक केयर ऑल एंड शेयर दिस.